Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we'll be exploring the 76 square meter studio suite at the Andaz Singapore, a hotel located atop the Duo and situated in the precinct of Bugis. Entering the room, to the right of the entrance foyer, is a decent-sized powder room, great if you're having guests over. Next, we have a huge walk-in wardrobe, plenty of space for those planning a prolonged stay. Just outside the walk-in wardrobe, the bed beckons. The plush king-sized bed is soft and comfortable and faces towards the Padang and Marina Bay. There is a large 50-inch television and a writing desk beside it. Then comes the living area featuring its own 50-inch television and an impressively large L-shaped sofa tucked away at the corner. Coffee, tea, as well as the minibar items are complimentary. Moving on to the bathroom, there is plenty of space to fit a double vanity flanked by dressers, an enclosed toilet, as well as a rain shower and bathtub. The bathtub in particular is a standout feature of the suite. Situated next to large windows with a view of Marina Barrage, there's nothing more relaxing than soaking in a rejuvenating bath while admiring the view of the ocean. Bath amenities are by Christophe Laudemel. Now let's have a look at the amenities. The gym is well equipped and located at the top of the building. The SUNROOM is a lounge located on the 25th floor that provides free refreshments and light snacks for all hotel guests. It's a great spot to chill out and read a book while sipping a cup of tea or coffee. Last but not least, we arrive at the stunning infinity pool. The pool is quite sizable and features great panoramic vistas of the city and Marina Bay. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Andaz Singapore. See you in the next one.